Discover the Octave System's power in our dynamic 1-minute video featuring a live EUR/JPY trade during a major news event. We quickly introduce the AI-driven Octave System, renowned for its sophistication, yet user-friendly for all traders. Within seconds, witness the system issuing a real-time alert before a crucial economic ano. The clip cuts to a user executing the trade, with rapid, engaging visuals of entry and exit points and the market's reaction. The video culminates in a powerful call to action, inviting viewers to join the Octave System community. This fast-paced clip isn't just a trade showcase, it's a glimpse into how AI technology transforms Forex trading for everyone.